Most students think toppers are born different. They're not. They just live by a routine that 99% of students never follow. Today, I'm going to break down the top 1% routine that turns an average student into a class topper, not by studying more hours, but by studying with control, clarity, and discipline. If you follow this routine for just 30 days, your grades will start improving automatically. Let's begin. First, understand this clearly. Toppers don't wake up motivated. They wake up prepared. The top 1% students start their day before the world distracts them. They wake up early, not because early morning is magical, but because their brain is fresh and uncontaminated. No notifications, no mental clutter. The first 30 minutes after waking up decide your entire day. Top students do 3 simple things. They make their bed. This sounds useless, but it builds the first win of the day. They drink water and stretch lightly. This signals the brain, we are active now. And then, no phone, no scrolling, no reel, no messages. Because the moment you touch your phone, you give control of your brain to someone else. Now comes the most powerful habit of toppers. Deep study session number 1. This session happens within the first 90 minutes of waking up. Duration, 60 to 90 minutes. No multitasking. No music with lyrics. No background noise. Just one subject. One chapter. One goal. Average students revise what they already know. Top students attack what they don't understand. They open the hardest topic of the day first. Why? Because discipline is highest when energy is highest. And this is where ranks are decided. No noise. After this session, toppers don't feel tired. They feel earned relief. Breakfast is simple. Light. No heavy junk that makes the brain slow. Then comes school or college. Here's where most students waste time. Top 1% students don't try to memorize everything in class. They do something smarter. They listen for patterns. They ask, what does the teacher repeat? What concepts connect multiple chapters? What questions feel exam-oriented? They take minimal notes, not beautiful notes. Because learning happens at home, not in the classroom. Now pay attention. This is the habit that separates toppers from hard workers. After coming home, they do not immediately study. They rest. Yes, rest. 30 to 45 minutes. No guilt. No stress. Because studying with a tired brain is fake productivity. Then comes deep study session number 2. This is the longest session of the day. 2 to 3 hours. But it's broken into focused blocks. Each block has one topic, one outcome, one short break. No random studying. Before starting, toppers ask, what exactly will I finish in this session? Not, I will study maths. But, I will master quadratic equations and solve 30 exam-level questions. Clarity creates speed. Here's a mindset shift you must steal from toppers. They don't chase motivation. They chase systems. Even on bad days. Even when they feel lazy. Even when they feel behind. They still sit at their desk. Because consistency beats talent every single time. Evening time is not for heavy learning. It's for revision. Practice questions. We carry a fixing. Top students revise daily, not before exams. That's why exams feel easy to them. Now listen carefully. This habit alone can change your rank. Night planning ritual. Before sleeping, toppers spend 10 minutes planning tomorrow. They write what to study, when to study, what to finish. No confusion. No morning stress. When you wake up knowing exactly what to do, procrastination disappears. Sleep is non-negotiable. Top students protect their sleep like an asset. Because a tired brain cannot rank. 6 to 8 hours. Same time. Every day. No late night scrolling. No, one more video. Discipline at night creates success in the morning. Now the truth most students ignore. Toppers are not perfect. They miss days. They feel demotivated. They fail sometimes. But they never quit the routine. That's the difference. If you follow this top 1% routine, your focus will increase. Your confidence will grow. Your marks will improve naturally. Not instantly, but permanently. If you want to become a class topper, stop searching for shortcuts. Build systems. Follow routine. Repeat daily. Because success in studies is boring, but powerful. And the top 1% understand that.